working. Hi everybody, this is Native Traveler. I feel so happy today. Oh, God. Happy today. Anyway, we're going back to playing Sonic Boom Dash. I don't know what to call it. Anywho, yeah, I'm happy. Not like last time in our last episode of this gameplay. I was really down. I don't know why. Thought it would make me feel better to make a video, but it didn't. Actually, never mind. I wasn't sad. I was just tired. Tired.
Bring it on.
The life. Just Eggman. I forgot there's no music in this, so you can hear me more. Ha ha ha. Dang. It's glitching. Never mind. I got it. I feel so alive. What has happened to me? Well, basically, I don't really have to do anything. I just swipe and then sometimes my phone. I don't want to go to the mountains. I want to stay on this path. Yes, I got alive. Oh shit, what have I done? Wham. Wham. Oh snap. Woo! I don't want to go that way. I'm just gonna stay on this path. Yay, I'm finally being professional at this. Ah! Oh, I missed it. God damn it. I needed that. I'll change my photo later. Ah, wait! Wait! Jesus. Crap. I mean, So I want to change Amy this way. Yeah. I remember in your videos, punks, you were just, or was it hunks? You forgot? Oh no! I wasn't looking! Oh good. Well then. What is my code Olimar? Or all the... Yay, I got 300 rings. Oh my god. Go get out of here. Yay. But I can't try it. But what did I get? Yay. First. I know it's supposed to be Sonic as the lead runner, but this is my game, so I chose Knuckles.
Bring it on.
Okay, never mind. I also say something to shoes, but never mind. Oh, back to the topic. You forgot your own YouTube name? I asked you what it was and you said, I don't know. Oh, it's Hunks, okay. I couldn't hear you very well. Whoa. Whoa. Oh wait, go. Oh. Where am I going? Run. I should have put the music on, but then I wouldn't be able to hear myself, so I turned it off. And in the little corner where my photo is, Somebody drew my Cyanical Sea or Fincher, whatever you want to call it. From Amno. Her name is an artist. Very cute drawing she does indeed. Yeah. Anywho. Oh no, Sonic fell. Oh shoot. Well then. I would have. Anywho. Darn it.